Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Litecoin is going to new all-time highs in its USD pair, and I don't say that lightly. Rekt Capital is all about cutting-edge, unbiased, level-headed, down-to-earth insights about the crypto markets. So I'm not saying this lightly. It's not a hype-based assertion. It's not just something that I've made up. I'm gonna show you why it's important to look at Litecoin at this stage in the market because Litecoin is very correlated to a lot of high performing altcoins at this time. And before we dive into that, I just want to thank you for your phenomenal support, not only in getting me back onto YouTube. I posted a tweet yesterday on Twitter. If you want me to return to YouTube, and the support was phenomenal. And I just also want to thank you not only for that, but also for your support on Twitter. I recently reached 50,000 followers, so really happy about that. This success I share with you guys because without you guys, Rekt Capital wouldn't be possible. So let's dive into the update. This is the very first tweet I made about Litecoin and Ethereum, specifically their correlation. So this was back in September, where Litecoin was seriously lagging behind Ethereum. So this is the Ethereum chart at the time, and we're going to delve into these charts in a bit more depth as we go along, but also update them to today's charts because it's a fantastic thing to look at about this price progression. So this is Ethereum to the right, this is Litecoin to the left. Litecoin over here was at $40 at the time. So let's move on to Ethereum in September, early September, September 7th. Here you can see that we just broke out from a macro double bottom formation and Ethereum was breaking out at this time. And in the same time, it was going to pull back to just retest this double bottom formation. So the way these macro double bottom formations occur, we see a breakout, a strong breakout, and then a pullback just to test this as a support. And the reason this matters is that in September, we see that Ethereum was very far along in the cycle. Ethereum was at this point before pulling back to retest this double bottom W-shaped formation as a successful breakout point. So this was Litecoin and Ethereum back then. And then around Christmas, and I think this was a great Christmas present, not only for me, but also subscribers in the Rekt Capital newsletter, I was sharing this correlation further and talking about what we could expect from Litecoin going forward because Ethereum was breaking out. So you saw this is the double bottom formation that I was talking to you guys about just a moment or two ago. The breakout and the DB retest, the double bottom formation retest, which took a while, but then we saw continuation there. And in the parallel universe, you can see double bottom formation over here, W-shaped formation, W for the win. That's a great mantra to kind of think about. W for the win. When you see a W form on the chart, that's a winning strategy right there. And over here, you can see that Litecoin wasn't really past its double bottom formation at the time. But then I suggested a few pathways for Litecoin as it later retests its double bottom. So going forward, as we progress, this is now February 3rd. You can see here that the double bottom formation for Litecoin broke out. We saw a massive breakout, then a massive double bottom retest. This was a strong dipping opportunity where we just followed the blue pathway, right, from before. So just going back, we were going to see an overextension into this area followed by a dipping opportunity. The question at that point was how deep was the dip going to go, and we saw that it was going to be quite a sizable dip. And of course, in the parallel universe for Ethereum reached a new all-time high. So this is today's chart. You can see that Ethereum at this point in time is in price discovery, right? Beautiful U-shaped formation. So this is a double bottom formation, but overall on the monthly time frame, this is a U-shaped reversal overall, and we're seeing a U-shaped reversal take shape on Litecoin as well. And we've seen a successful double bottom breakout from Litecoin and a successful double bottom retest. So now we're at this very short-term resistance of 190, roughly speaking. Some resistance over here, but generally speaking, it's going to be a resistance that will probably provide some sell side momentum in the short term, but overall, make no mistake that Litecoin is going to follow Ethereum into new all-time highs. And I don't say this lightly, of course, but we're probably gonna see both Ethereum and Litecoin in price discovery simultaneously. That's ahead later down in the cycle, something really to get excited about. But before we move on to the next chart, notice how Ethereum was successfully retesting this double bottom formation for 63 days. It took Litecoin half that time. So we always talk about Litecoin being a laggard, lagging behind Ethereum. It's interesting because even though that's true, Litecoin lags, but in half the time, right? A typical laggard would probably lag either the same amount of time here or a longer time than that. But we're actually seeing that this lagging is actually quite accelerated, which is an interesting insight. So this is Ethereum's price chart today. Wonderful U-shaped reversal into new all-time highs and price discovery. And just notice how Ethereum being the market leader for altcoins, you can see that the same formation is forming for Altcoin Market Cap. Altcoin Market Cap is on the cusp of breaking its 2017 all-time highs, which is fantastic because 2017 was such a fantastic time for altcoins at the time, and you're seeing that we're going to eclipse this area very soon. Altcoins haven't even... The altcoin market cap hasn't even broken its 2017 highs, and we're already seeing such phenomenal price action across the altcoin market, which only is a testament of what's yet to come, where 2021 is going to eclipse the 2017 alt season completely. It's going to be on a whole nother level as we reach price discovery for altcoin market cap. And of course, market cap. Altcoin market cap is a metric, so it's not theoretically price discovery, metric discovery, if you want to be a bit more, want to deal with semantics. But overall, it's all about being in that discovery phase where we're trying to find the top. And generally, the thing with price discovery, whether that's actual price or just altcoin market cap, it's going to take a while for that discovery to actually discover what it's looking for, which only means that this is going to take a while, guys. This breakout past the 2017 highs is going to take a while. And the top is nowhere near, essentially. No matter what dips happen in the meantime, dips are essentially a great opportunity to buy in to a coin that's already trending. So Cardano is actually mimicking the same chart. Just notice how Ethereum is mimicking Altcoin Market Cap and how they are identical to Cardano at this time. So you're seeing that a lot of altcoins are following Ethereum. So essentially, Ethereum is the blueprint for altcoins. It's the market leader. It's the market leader for altcoins. It is following Bitcoin. Sometimes it decorrelates from it, but overall, we're seeing altcoins try to follow Ethereum. And the altcoin market cap is doing that in of itself, but Cardano is, of course, following Ethereum as well with its U-shaped reversal. So this is the recent breakout point for Cardano. This is going to be the next resistance. So we've still got a bit ways to go, but overall, this is the range that Cardano is going to be inside in. Overall, as we approach the end of the week, and of course, as we progress throughout February, it's going to be important to watch where Cardano is going to be, because essentially, now that it's inside this range, the bottom of the range would be the best dipping opportunity before seeing further upside. And a breakout past this point from the range high would see this U-shaped formation just continue and try to seek and discover this wicking all-time high. So Cardano's looking quite good, but the best thing about what we're talking about today is that Litecoin is the major laggard in this correlation to Ethereum altcoin market cap, and you can just see how we're so early on in the Litecoin cycle. And this candle, really, this being a scary candle, lots of sell side pressure from this historical supply area, but you can see how the buyers just bounced back in the next month. So this is January candle, the candle from January, the February candle right over here. You can just see how that momentum bounced back, and that's a massive testament to how strong the bulls are at this time. Going forward, whatever dip happens will be a fantastic opportunity. Litecoin is very much on track to a new all-time high. I don't say that lightly. It's going to follow Ethereum, and it has been following Ethereum for a long time now. That's about it for the video. Thanks so much, guys, for watching today. Please like if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'm going to wrap this video up and head to write a new newsletter for the Rekt Capital newsletter. I write a newsletter every Wednesday, Friday and Monday, today being Wednesday. So I'm excited to share some new insights, and of course I'm going to share these insights, at least some of them, with you like I did today. So I hope you enjoyed them, hope you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you very soon.